Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and locating the chart you want removed. Click directly on the chart area so Word selects the entire object. You'll see Resize Handles and the Chart Tools contextual tab appear. Once done, make sure you're not selecting chart elements like a legend instead of the full chart. If Chart Tools appears, you've selected it correctly, and you can now proceed to the next step to remove the chart cleanly and preserve any needed data elsewhere. With the chart selected, press Delete for an immediate removal, which is quick and final in the document view. If you might reuse the graphic, right-click and choose Cut or Copy so you can paste it into another file or slide. Once done, use Chart Tools designed to change the source data if you want to replace rather than delete. That preserves layout while updating content. Make sure to save a copy of your document before major changes so you can undo mistakes or restore the chart later. After deleting or replacing the chart, save the document to lock in the change. This prevents accidental recovery of the old chart. If you removed it by mistake, press Ctrl+Z immediately to undo or use version history to restore a previous file state. Once done, double-check headers, footers, and linked objects in the document for additional copies or chart links. If Chart Tools won't select the object, toggle Draft View or use the selection pane to locate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.